Let's get a check on that wind now with Darren. I could hear it whipping outside of my window here.
Yes, that is a shared experience that just about everybody throughout the Bay Area is having this morning, Michelle. So let me give you the specific look at how the winds are behaving now and why they're going to get a little bit stronger over the next few hours. If we look at the current wind gusts right now, and I'm going to take the heart of the bay here, we're going to look pretty much from the East Bay, South Bay, the peninsula of the city. The number that grabs your attention right off the bat is the 70 on Mount Diablo. That's a 70-mile-an-hour gust up on the mountains right now. But here's what's different about this morning, and Michelle already mentioned it. It was windy at her house out there, and it's going to be windy at your house because the winds have gotten down into the lower elevations today. Not as strong as the mountains, but strong enough that this is going to be a factor today. Look at San Mateo. 44-mile-an-hour gust right now. Fremont gusting to 37. Maybe not as strong in San Jose, but it's still gusting to 20 miles an hour there. So what happens next? We'll take it from where it is now. We're going to switch from the current gust and put this into the futurecast, and I'm going to play it forward. And you're going to notice the colors get a little bit brighter here as we get into the late morning and early afternoon. So I've just taken us ahead to 9, 20, 10 o'clock this morning. And now we're seeing gusts a little closer to 50 at times in many of the communities around the bay. So they won't last long at those speeds, and it will only seem like it gets a little bit stronger than it is now, but the takeaway is, as we get into the late morning and early afternoon today, the intensity of the wind will pick up a bit. And then once we get towards the afternoon, it's going to start to turn off. And by sunset, things will get much better. Similar story up here in the North Bay. We can watch the winds pick up a bit in intensity as we go through the afternoon. And then by the time we get into the evening, that will also start to let up a bit. So wind advisory stays in effect until 6 o'clock. 40-mile-an-hour gust in general, but at times even higher than that through the late morning and early afternoon. And you can see this does include all of the communities throughout the Bay Area.